Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy garlic white sauce dip. This creamy, flavorful dip is perfect for almost any occasion, from casual snacking to entertaining guests. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. Get ready to create a versatile dip that everyone will love with minimal effort. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the garlic. For the best flavor, you'll want to use fresh garlic. Peel 3 to 4 cloves and mince them very finely. If you prefer, a garlic press works wonderfully to achieve that perfect consistency quickly. The goal is to have the garlic almost paste-like, ensuring its pungent flavor is well distributed throughout the dip. With your garlic ready, it's time to combine everything. In a medium-sized bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of sour cream. Next, incorporate your finely minced garlic. Then, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a bright, zesty note. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and any fresh herbs you like, such as dill or parsley. Almost done. Once all your ingredients are thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your dip for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together, creating a more harmonious and delicious taste. When it's perfectly chilled, give it a final stir and serve your amazing garlic white sauce dip with chips, vegetables, or anything you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.